So I got something for my house. This is some lights for the outside, but that is not what I'm doing today. We got a new printer. The one I'm using was stopped working, so we got this. And now I want to unbox this. This is a HP. Oh no, don't look at my address. This is an HP premium. So let's see what we got here. Oh, well, this is what I got for the Black Friday deal. And let's see what we have. We have this is the ink, right? This is the ink. And the plug. Ooh. I don't know how to say. Okay, I think this is how it's gonna be. Oh man. Okay. This is brand new. Ready to print out my shipping labels. Yeah, this is not sponsored by any company, but let's try to set it up and see if it's working or not.
This way. Not that way. Not that way.
Whatever. This is the best.